Next, please understand, and this is what I told you earlier also, the audience is on your side. The audience is on your side. And whenever you realize this, that the audience is on your side, it will give you a lot of content. It will give you a lot of confidence. It will give you a lot of energy going ahead. Now, what do you understand by this? KYA. Kya? KYA. Tell me. Know your audience. It's very important for you to know your audience. Like, I know the people who are going to attend the session, the people who are going to be a part of the session, how they are going to be benefited by it, how they are going to learn from that particular session. So that's why it's very important that you know your audience. Because when you would know your audience, therefore you would be able to get so many results and opportunities for you. Only because you are aware of what kind of content to be delivered for them. Till the time even you are not aware as to what has to be given to them, what is the kind of content that I have to share with them, how will you be able to add value? How will you be able to impact? Do you get that? And that's exactly what we need to realize. Know about your audience. What is it that they would like? What is it that would keep them interested? What is it that would keep them connected? How my audience is going to be completely benefited by this? Why my audiences would want to become a part of my sessions? How would they be benefited? And all those things, they are very important. Because when you would realize that all the people who are a part of your audience are now related with, then you would realize that the audience is now on your side. So this is something that I say to people on a regular basis. Please be there with the audience. Please ensure that you are connected with the audience. Because whenever you will be doing it, you would realize that the audience is by your side. I also have some topics for you. I will give them to you after some time. Right now, let your body speak, which is also known as body language, positive body language. Please let me know, why do you think body language is so very important? It creates the first impression, symbol of more confidence. It is the mirror. It is non-verbal communication. It sends a lot of positive vibes and positive energy, attention grabbing, non-verbal communication. It shows your, see, attitude probably is not the most appropriate word that we should use over here. Okay. It gets us connected with people. We are more engaged. People can come, more people can become a part of it. Otherwise, it would not look natural. I get it. So it becomes even more natural. It plays 53% of the communication well. I will not comment upon the percentage, but I would recommend you and say to you that it is very important that you are actually getting that body to talk for you. And it should not just be done by your own words, by just your own mouth. The work should also be done by your body, because that way of communicating will get you connected to the audience even more. Got it? Good. Now, how many of you agree that if you have 100% faith upon your content, your body will naturally follow? Your body would naturally become a part of it. Your body would naturally get in that energy. It will be resonated in your words. It will be resonated in your actions. It will be resonated with the way your body moves. Everybody agrees with that? That's what is important. And that's why I say, have 100% faith upon what you are talking. Have 100% conviction upon the content that you are creating, upon the information that you are sharing with people. Because when you would do that, only then will you be able to be connected with the audience and ensure that they are now understanding whatever you are sharing and believing in what you say. The next thing over here is the posture. The posture is very important. If you would notice, what I do is I'm always sitting straight. And when I'm very energetic about something, I lean a little bit forward, because that is a sign of my positivity. That is a sign of me connecting with you. That is a sign of me realizing that I am even more engrossed and even more dedicated in this particular session. So you need to figure out your posture. And how do you do it, ladies and gentlemen? The only way you will be able to do it is when you record yourself. Whenever you are talking, record yourself. Whenever you will record yourself, you would then realize what is it that I am lacking? Where is it that I am very confident? And therefore, you would be able to work upon it. Many people do not do it. हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं, but we don't record it. And because we don't record it, we are unable to realize when we are able to improve and when we are where we need to work upon. That's very important. And that's the reason why I record my talks. I listen to my talks. I see what is not working. I have a very close look at my language, and then I work upon it. And gradually we have improved it. You look at my video earlier and look at the content we create now, you would see that the body language is so much more powerful today. And the reason why that's happening is because we have worked upon it. That's essential. One more thing that I would like to share over here is, please note it down, your power position. Your power position. Just think about it. I'll give you 10 seconds, okay? 10 seconds. Note it down. Note it down, ladies and gentlemen, right now, okay? Think about this. What is your power position? What is your power position? That means whenever you are talking, what is it that creates the applause from people? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जब आप बात करते हुए बोलते हैं, आपकी बॉडी की पोजीशनिंग ऐसे होती है जहां पे कि लोग आपके संग एकदम से कनेक्ट कर जाते हैं? What is your powerful position? Is it your hand movement? Somebody says, when I speak loud, I stand. Or maybe it's like I'm doing this. What I do is when my hand movements are like this, when I'm in my flow and when I'm standing appropriate, that is my power position. Think about it. Are you aware what is your power position? Somebody says, can it be smile? Of course it can be smile. When you smile, people get connected with you. People are with you. That is also one more very powerful way. You can definitely have that. That can work out as your powerful position. A sudden snap could. And when we were a part of a community, what they said was, make your move. Make your move. So figure out, as per your body, what is your power position? For example, I say like, yes. And then everybody, my facial expressions, my body, my hand expressions, everything is in sync. And that's exactly what you got to do. Yes. So you get your position, you create your opportunity, you realize that this is the powerful part. For example, if you listen to me very carefully, when you attend my webinars, when I say to you, say yes, if you are dedicated to do more, if you are dedicated to achieve more. So that is my power position during my webinars. Similarly, when I'm on the stage, I have a different power position. When I tell people to be connected, resonated, when I take them the energy to the next level altogether, that's exactly what you got to do. Think about what your power position is right now. Think. Note it down. Your smile also. Thank you. Think about it. Write it down. I believe it's my voice and the way I speak. Good. See, when you are saying that it's my voice and the way I speak, then that's like for the entire duration. What is that one thing where your facial expression changes, where the content that you're sharing with people, where you have more command upon it? Think about it. A punchline for my case, like when I talk about being a shameless self-promoter, or probably when we are able to give something very amazing to people, something that people are like, man, this was my takeaway, brother. So you do that. And that is what keeps people even more engaged in your talk or your session. That is your power position. You need to figure out what your power position is. And after you have figured it out, then please ensure that you include your power position in each and every session of yours, in each and every talk of yours, in each and every video of yours. Please do it. Got it? Figure it out. How to figure out? Watch your videos. Again, watch your videos. आप अपना content दोबारा से देखो. And then see, when do you have that spark in your eyes? When are you giving that kind of energy? When are you resonating that kind of energy? Figure that out for yourself. When you would do it, then you would realize, man, this is the moment. And then you will do it. And then you will do it again and again and again. Because that's going to be your power position as a part of your body language. Power position create kar sakte hain? Maybe. But probably at max, you will have two that will get the people to be connected, engaged, engrossed, and dedicated. Got it? Good. Next. Please do not hold on to things. Whenever you are speaking, do you see, I don't hold on to anything. अगर आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो, अगर आप कुछ लिख रहे हो, तब आपको पेन पकड़ना पड़ेगा, वो तो बात सच है. That's absolutely fine. But do not hold on to anything. Do not put your hands in your pocket. Do not touch that desk. Do not touch your clothes again and again. Do not try and think, okay, whether I'm looking good, whether my clothes are appropriate or not. No, all that needs to be taken care of before you have started your talk, man. Not after it. So do not hold on to things, because when you hold on to things, that is a sign of being nervousness. That is a sign of being nervous. That should never be the case. Have you noticed it? Or do you also have that problem? I won't call it a problem, but do you also commit that error that you start holding on to something even your pen in your hand, whenever you are talking, to give you confidence. Does that happen? Right? So many people say we do it. Stop doing that. And I have noticed so many people do it. So many people do it. And you know why that happens? Because we are not aware, because we are not ready. That's exactly what we got to change for us. Got it? Do not hold on. One more thing. Whenever you will record your content, and जब भी आपने अपने कंटेंट को रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है, रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद फिगर आउट करो कि आप कौन सी चीज बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हो. फिगर आउट करो कि आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज कितना ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट हो सकता है. That's what you need to, because when you do it, you will get that edge. And again, just like I told you, you will only be able to get that edge when you are enjoying the process. Do you agree? You will only be able to do well. You will only be able to achieve more. You will only be able to create a more significant impact when you are actually enjoying the process. जब तक आप उस प्रोसेस को एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो, तब तक कभी भी आप वो वाला इम्पैक्ट नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते हो. The way you do and the way you get results is when you are enjoying the process. I'm enjoying the sessions. I love my work. I start giving my 100%, and that's the reason why I love it. So that is exactly what you also got to do for yourself. Got that? Good. One more thing, people. Nobody knows what is going on inside you. अब कई लोग ये बोलते हैं, राहुल मेरा बॉडी लैंग्वेज अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं हो पाता, मैं बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोल पाता हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली लोगों के सामने प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाता हूँ मेरी बॉडी को, ओनली बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नर्वसनेस इनसाइड मी. वेल, लेट मी आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. Is there anybody who knows what is going inside you? Yes or no? Nobody, right? There's nobody who's actually aware what is there inside you. Whether you're confident or you're not confident, who knows, man? Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, is anybody aware about it? No, right? So why to present yourself in such a manner? Why to present yourself in a manner wherein you don't feel confident about yourself? Show your confidence, man. Do it. And see, there are two ways how you go about it. You can see both things. My mom is saying, कितना अच्छा बताता है ये लड़का. आंटी जी धन्यवाद आपका बहुत बहुत. So the smile, it just came naturally, right? So nobody knows what is going on inside you. Why to showcase it to others? Or you can be your vulnerable self. Go onto the stage and speak with a lot of confidence. Don't worry about people judging you. But एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को और बताना चाहता हूँ. Please write it down. Never ever in your talk say this, that this is my first attempt. I hope you will overlook my errors. You will overlook my. Please don't say that. यार पता है, if you do this, आप जाते साथ ही हार गए हो. You have already lost that at the beginning of your talk. Am I right? Please don't do it. Never say that. This is my first attempt. Please pardon me if I go wrong. Come on, man. Don't say that. You are demeaning your own self. You're demeaning your own confidence. You're letting your own self down. Understand that. Never say it. Never ever say it. It's your opportunity. Get up. Grab that opportunity. Make the most of it. If you would ever notice me in an event, if I am a speaker over there, if I have been invited, when people will take my name, I will get up. I will take my time. I will go on to the stage. I will give myself the time and the composure so that people can look at me. That is my moment, brother. That is your moment, people. And that's exactly what you got to do. Cherish that particular moment. Get it done. आप उस चीज को समझो और आप उसके बाद आगे चलो और results लेकर आओ. Do you get that? That is so very important. How many of you are now aware about it? And how many of you were committing that mistake? Oh, this is my first video. Please pardon me if I'm going to commit some mistakes. Come on, man. Don't say that. Don't say that. Because if you are doing that, what's actually happening is you are putting your own self down. And that should never happen under any circumstances. Nobody knows what it is. I want everybody to write over here. Everyone. Because I have seen a lot of people commit this mistake and this blunder. Right? Nobody knows what's going inside you. Nobody is aware about it. So what you got to do is give your 100% at that particular moment. Don't worry about it. And go and give your best shot. And I guarantee you that your best shot would be amazing. Because when you say that, pardon my mistakes, what you are doing is you are giving that command to your mind that you are going to commit a mistake. and that you are already been exempted or you are already been forgiven for this. तो आप पहले ही अपने माइंड को ये बोल चुके हो. So definitely your mind is going to commit a mistake and definitely your mind is going to commit an error. That needs to change. Extremely essential. Very true. You are also, Shrey has written the right thing. You are also making the people actually focus on your errors. Please don't do that from now onwards. It's a negative self-talk. Very true. Somebody says, even I was thinking to say it. It will, if I get a chance to talk to you, never do it, man. I will never appreciate it. Got it? Good. Next. Very true. Shivendra says, plus it is also an excuse not to give your 100%. I completely agree with you. That it is also an excuse not to give your 100%. Because you have already told your mind, यार मैं तो गलती करने ही वाला हूँ. मैं तो ये वाली opportunity अपने लिए खोने वाला हूँ. है कि नहीं? This is what we need to change. Got it? Good. Next. Well-groomed does the job for you. Does the job for you. People look up to you, man, when you're well-groomed, when you have taken care of yourself. When I was delivering my TEDx talk, probably that was the first time in the last 2.5 years. Exactly. I was wearing the tie in the event last year in May for a tie. I wanted to give my best foot forward. Those people don't know me. That talk will also go on the TEDx platform. So why not be well-groomed over there? I know I don't talk about a lot about all those things. And a lot of people who say that a lot of billionaires are not dressed like that, let me tell you, whenever they are going to very much powerful occasions, powerful gatherings, they are well-groomed, they are well-dressed, they are wearing their best top-notch apparels possible. You saw when Mark Zuckerberg was there when he was being questioned by the Congress people in the US. If you saw that video, he was wearing a blazer and a tie. When those people are delivering and talking at amazing forums, they are very nicely dressed and groomed. And that's what you need to understand. So don't think and just don't look at the good that is being shown to you. There will come a time, ladies and gentlemen, wherein whatever you were wearing does not matter. Somebody says, even when our prime minister was being interviewed, he was wearing the same coat. Good. So you need to understand this. There will come a time when the clothes that you wear don't matter. But till the time that does not happen, you need to present your best foot forward. Very true, Sanjay. Billionaires have already proved themselves. Now their clothes don't matter. I agree. It's a fact. We got to be there, right? We are not yet there. And that's exactly what we need to realize. And that's exactly what we need to change for us. And the sooner we do it, the better it is going to be for each and every one of us. Good. Next, send your vibes, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what do you understand by this? That you send your vibes even before you have gone to speak at that particular place. What do you understand by this? Send your vibes. Tell me. Passing on your energy, sending a video before you go, that is also one way. Good. Your energy would speak for you. The confidence with which you speak, the authority that you are creating for yourself, the aura. I don't understand. No problem. I will tell you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Meet with the audience. Get your energy amongst the audience. Pass on your energy, positive energy and vibrations. Very true. I'll tell you why that's very important. Okay. Now, what happens over here is whenever you are going to deliver a talk or a session, you need to be 100% confident. And in your mind, you're like, I'm going to do well. This is going to be mind blowing. This is going to be one of the best talks that I've ever delivered in my entire life. You know what happened during the event when I was a part of the Tony Robbins team in Singapore? You know what they said? For every event that they do, this is going to be the best event in the history of the universe. This is going to be the best firework in the history of the universe. They said it 100 times. So you have it in your mind and then you perform accordingly. Do you agree? So if you say to your own mind, man, this is going to be done, you get it done. And that's what matters. When we were planning to do our event for 5,000 people, we said that this is going to be the best event that our country has ever seen. And when we say it repeatedly, every single day, you get that energy and you pass it on to others. How many of you have a team over here? How many of you have a team over here? You run a business and you have a team. Tell me. You do every morning. Get your team together and tell your team to do this activity. Say it to them, all of them, that today is going to be the best day. I am going to empower people. I'm going to reach out to people. I'm going to get these results. I'm going to make it happen. Before every energy you send your calls, people, I say it to my team, when you're calling somebody on the phone, when you're calling somebody on your phone, if you say it on your mind that this person is not going to enroll, I guarantee you that person will not lift your call. मैं आपको गारंटी के संग ये चीज बोल सकता हूँ, सामने वाला बंदा आपका फोन उठाएगा ही नहीं. You know why? Because even before that call has gone, you have sent your vibrations across. That is how important it is. There is some power that controls everything, right? Something. We believe in it. We don't believe in it. In one particular identity, we believe in one particular God. It does not matter. But there is some power, right? Anything is there. Some supreme power. You need to understand that. You need to talk to that supreme power and you need to create those chances for you. You know what my team members told me? Rahul, every morning, whenever we were having a particular sale or whenever we were having a particular offer, my team told me in the morning that, Rahul, you need to tell us the targets today. And you know what she told me later on? That in the morning you gave us a target and we were like, man, this cannot happen. We never believed it. But at the end of the day, that actually happened. You know why? Because you told us that this would happen and we believed in it. And you believed in it. And that is what you need to do, man. And that is what you always need to create for yourself. I know somebody said that you woke me up in the last 30 seconds. I know it's very tough to concentrate for 3 hours. And that's why I do this. And that's why it's very important for you to understand this. You are going to, for an interview, send your vibes before that interview. You're making a sales call, you're doing a webinar, you're interacting with a client, you're going for a meeting with an important personality, send your vibes before that. And I guarantee you that you will be ahead and you will win. You know why? Because even before you have reached that particular place, your vibes have reached that place. That's why it matters. Have you noticed that when you go to certain places, you would see that there's a lot of negative energy over there because of the people who live there, because of the talks that they give. Has that happened? Have you noticed it? That you go to certain places and you get some negative energy over there, even though you have gone to that place for the very first time. Does that happen? You know why that happens? Because of the energy that people have created. You know, one very important reason why each and every one of you is over here, because you get that positive vibes from Rahul Bhatnagar. And that's what matters so much more than everything else. Because your positive vibes will speak for you even before you have spoken. Is that true? Everybody? Good. Brilliant. This is what you need to understand. And then you make the most out of it. Got it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, task for each one of you. Here are the topics for you. Here are the topics for you. Now, what you got to do is, it is 12:43 p.m. already. We will have a 7 minutes break right now. We will meet at 1 p.m. We will meet at 1 p.m. The session would continue, but you are not going anywhere. Thoda hillo, relax kar lo. Choose one topic out of this. You can choose one topic or choose 2 topics. Make a video on this topic and upload it inside the Rahul's VIP group or the public speaking group. Got it? Choose one topic or choose 2 topics, and then we will continue for the next of the session. After that, we will also have a 2 days gap, but that would be later. So this video would be for 1 or 1.5 minutes. Impromptu topic for you. Choose 1 or 2, make a video, upload it in the group. Okay? अगर आप Rahul's VIP में नहीं है तो आप public speaking वाले group में होंगे, आप request भेज दीजिए. Or you can just type in the group on Facebook, Learn Public Speaking. And here I have also given you the link for the Learn Public Speaking group. It's exactly 12:43 p.m. We are going to meet at 12:50 p.m. By that time, everybody should have completed their task. Okay? Please do it. Awesome. Are we done? Are we back? How many of you have made your video? Done and posted in Rahul's VIP? Brilliant. Awesome, 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 awesome. Right. Posted in the Rahul's VIP group. Very, very good. Done a small live also. Nice. No. Time over, brother. So you are super punctual. You have to be, man. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead now. The link of the group, I have already shared the link of the group with you. I will just share it with you one time. Video posted, right? So VIP group is only for the enrolled members of Communication Mastery, whereas this is the one that is for the group members. Right. Good. Next. All right. So now, if I ask you one thing, people, Awesome session, value into 100. Thank you so much, Abhijit. And this is just the beginning, right? Just like I told you, the first half today is going to focus upon the foundation. And then we are going to talk about the monetary part in the second half of the session. That will happen after 2 p.m., after the break. Okay, good. Next. If I ask you, what do you think is the relevance of eye contact? Why do you think eye contact is so very important? Please tell me. Please tell me. Why? People can connect. The audience feels connected. The feels involved in the session to get the audience engaged. It builds authority. It feels natural. It is more engaging. It gets more attention. It gets more energy for you. The engagement happens. It creates the connect with the audience. More exciting opportunities come our way. More results. They know that now they are over. That now they are focused. People would realize that now I'm talking with them. Yes, and that is what is very, very important. It gives you the confidence. It is said that eye is the mirror of the mind. Yes, very true. The eye is definitely the mirror of the mind. 110%. I speak more than the words when it comes to talking. Very true. And that is what is the most amazing part. Brilliant. Right. Thank you. The talk will not be boring. 100%. We get a bonding, how to make an eye contact. We will guide you upon that. Don't worry. So how many of you remember this? This is something that I have told all of you repeatedly. Look at the 3 spots, one on the left side, one in the middle, and one on the right side. This is for the beginners, right? If you feel that you're just beginning your public speaking journey and you would not be able to make that steady eye contact with people, you will not be able to create that kind of an impact that you want to create for people. I get it. And the reason why we need to work upon it is because, see, when you have identified those 3 spots, what's going to happen is, because of the 3 spots that you have identified, when you are talking about one particular topic, you will speak to the left, then you will speak in the middle, and then you will speak while you are looking at the right side, so that you are able to cover the entire area of the audience. However, one thing that we need to understand is that this one is not as effective as looking directly into the eyes of people. But then gradually you would be able to do that also. For that to happen, you need to realize that now I am improving. I'm creating more chances, and then I get results going for me. Now, the one thing that you need to do is, before you start, what has to be done by you? You tell me. Why is that important? And what exactly needs to be done? It keeps you hydrated. Part is okay. I'm talking about pertaining to public speaking. Welcoming of the audience, you give yourself positive vibes, you meet more people, you are able to relax, analyze. See, when you go and when you see at the place that has been allocated to you, visualize that I will be there in the middle. Close your eyes and visualize. And then I would be looking at the left side, and then I would be looking in the middle, and then I would be looking at the right side. You need to make that visualization happen before you start. And also, just like I told you, please interact with the audience members so that you can become a part of it, and therefore you would be able to get results. Somebody asked me, is this public speaking applicable for presentation? Of course. When you are interacting with people at your college or at your workplace or at other places, you need to be connected with the audience, right? You need to ensure that you are there with the audience. Is that true? Yes or no? So before you start talking, it's very important that you connect with people, you interact with people, and then you become familiar with the audience who's over there. Got it? Good. Next. Quick glances are very important. See, whenever you are talking, both these things, whether it's a quick glance or it is a long stare, they are both very important. If there is somebody who's not paying attention, you just look at them once, and it will be taken care of. They will stop talking. They will start focusing on the session. If somebody still does not understand that they are violating the rules, that they are not following the things that they are required to do, that they are disturbing you again and again, then give them a long stare. Quick glance means आपने ऐसे देखा and फिर आप वापस आ गए. Just look at them and then you come back. You start looking and focusing at where you were focusing earlier, so that you can get the attention of the audience back. And when you talk about a long stare, that means that you're looking at them. You can also say something, stop it. And then everyone else understand this. When you do this once, not just that one person will understand, but also others will understand that, okay, now we need to focus more on the session rather than focusing on here and there. I need to now focus more on the session and more on the learning part. Long stare is quite difficult. Nothing is difficult after you have practiced. Got it? एक बार जब हमने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया है, उसके बाद वो हमारे लिए अपने आप ही इजी हो जाता है. उसके बाद आप देखोगे कि वो अपने आप ही आप अपने लिए बना ले जाते हो अपॉर्चुनिटी. And that's why it is very important that you are able to get that long stare done for you and you are able to get that opportunity for your own self. Got it? Good. Somebody has asked me, this public speaking which we are attended, no, this will not be added inside Communication Mastery. You will be getting a different access on your email ID wherein you would be able to watch the and rewatch the content. Got it? Good. What if they're elder than us? Hardly matters. Even if they're elder, and if they're elder than you, then they should respect you even more. And they should also respect the fact that you are talking. So you need to look at them. You can be polite. Sir, I request you not to talk. It disturbs others. And then you look at them. Got it? And this is what I say to everybody. It's very important. And when you do it, then you would realize that now people are start doing that thing. Go next to an individual, make them stand up or look directly into their eyes. Or look directly into their eyes. That is important. जगह पे गए, आपने directly लोगों की आंख में देखा और बात करी. That would show so much of authority and so much of confidence for you. Very important. Do you agree? उसकी वजह से आप अपने लिए इतना ज्यादा attention create कर सकते हो and इतना ज्यादा energy create कर सकते हो. And you would have everybody associated and engaged in your talk. That's important. Please repeat quick glance. Quick glance का मतलब है जब आप बातें कर रहे हो, जब आप बोल रहे हो और कोई आपको बातें करते हुए दिख जाए. When you are talking, you find somebody who is talking. You look at them. Your work would be done. Your work would be taken care of. You know why? Because they would realize that I have been noticed talking. I have been caught talking. And they would then start focusing on the session. And that's what is important. So you can talk to a person, look directly into their eyes. And when you will do it, you will then create the kind of fact that you will do it. Sometimes long stare may disturb the audience. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि आप 1 minute तक देख रहे हो. This should not happen when same thing when somebody is on their phone, just look at them. And even then, they would be able to get back to the session. And see, the reason why you are doing it is for them only. It's for them only. You know why? Because they are losing out on such helpful content that would help them get such amazing results for them. And that happens. We humans, we tend to get bored. We tend to get deviated. हमारा focus हट जाता है. तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है that you go, you get the focus back, and then you again restart. That's very important, right? When you say कि go and talk का मतलब है, this is not just to scold someone. This is a sign of authority. This is a sign of authority. You go to that particular individual, you talk to that particular individual, you look directly into the eyes of that person, and then you would realize that yes, the attention is back for me. That's important. Somebody says, can we also say something funny? Yes, you can say funny. अब बोलो अरे यार इधर ध्यान दे लो, बाद में फोन पे messages check कर लेना. You can say that also, right? So it's not necessary that you need to scold someone, but you need to get the attention, and you need to stop them from doing particular thing, so you can get their focus back into the session and learn more from that, right? Somebody says that you can say girlfriend कहाँ भाग के जा रही है. I hope वो एक अंकल नहीं होंगे वहां पे 40 साल के जिनको आपने ये बोल दिया वहां पे, वरना तो आप ही भागते हुए नजर आओगे मुझे. Okay. Next, eliminating the fillers. People, what do you think fillers are? Any idea about what fillers are and why fillers are very important? Okay. Connecting words. We can also call them as connecting words. That we need to realize that we need to get rid of these connecting words, because the connecting words are actually preventing us from that flow. They are stopping us from creating that bond that we want to create with people. And that is something that needs to be changed. And the reason why that happens is because we are not confident about it and we are not actually given our 100%, and we have also not focused upon it. These are some of the fillers. I know, you know, like, these are some of the fillers. What is your filler word Tell me, what is the word that you use? So, like, practicing, like, so, okay, here we go, as per the situation, acha, right, you know. So at least the good thing over here is that you are at least aware about what your word are, about what your connecting words are, or your connecting word is. Because many a times people don't even realize that they have got certain connecting words. So first and the foremost thing that we need to do is identify what are our connecting words. When you have focus that, okay, this is my connecting word, only then will you be able to rectify it. And then how do you find your connecting word? You record yourself, and you note it down. And then again you record yourself. So it's a continuous process. You record yourself and then you note it down. You note it down and then you record yourself regularly. Because when you will do it, only first of all, when you will record and when you will see yourself, then you realize, okay, this is my connecting word and this is something that I need to work upon. Right. And at the same time, what I also have to do is, please understand, because you have now identified that this is my connecting word, therefore you would be able to implement it and you would be able to change that. Got it? Very important. Is long pause okay or not? Good. If you are using a long pause to get the attention, to get the applause, to get people to be connected with you, to get people to listen to you very carefully, then that's okay. Or if somebody is talking a lot and you want to get that attention back for you, you need to do it. Right? Good, Afreen. I like it. She says record, watch, remove, watch, record, watch. Very true. You need to follow this process rigorously, because when you would follow this process rigorously, you would then realize that it is helping you and it is helping you connect even more with the audience, because you have eliminated the errors for you. Got it? Good. Okay. One person has asked me, go and talk. Go and talk simply means you go directly look into the eyes of an individual and talk, because many speakers will not do it. And when you do it, you will create that kind of an authority that you probably would not have even thought about. It's very powerful. Please do that. Got it? Good. Next. Okay, a very important question over here. Somebody says, sir, what to do if you are in management meeting PPT and someone is not paying attention who's senior to you? Ask question, no? Shrey, it's simple. देखो हर चीज का तरीका होता है. Ask them a question. Sir, what do you think about it? Automatically his attention will be back. Her attention would be back. That is all that you need. अभी उनको पता तो नहीं है कुछ, तो वो क्या बोलेंगे? Yeah, I agree with you. But then from then onwards, they will focus on the session. Got it? That's important. Right. So see, all these things come with practice. And when you are practicing, you are able to get results going for you. Queries later, people, queries later. All right. Thank you. One thing that I do for myself, and that's exactly what you also got to do, that is reward and punish yourself. Understand this. Reward and punish yourself. You know why that's important? Why that is important? When you have worked upon your flaws, when you have put in some more efforts for your growth and your learning, then reward yourself. Please do. Always reward yourself. Have something good to eat, go out for a ride, talk to a loved one, do something that you feel happy. But if you have not worked upon yourself, if you have not worked on improving that filler of yours, then punish yourself. Give yourself more time to work upon. Push yourself to put in more efforts. Push yourself to do more work for you, because that is what is important for you. Got that? So this is what we need to do. Follow this principle of reward and punish. Reward and punish. And when you do that continuously and regularly, you would realize that you are improving and you are getting even more opportunities for you. And again, it's always about improving yourself and always about getting to the next level. And there is always the next level for each and every one of us. Got that? All right. Who's going to be our next speaker? Tell me. I'd like to give the chance to Dyuti. Dyuti has asked me so many times. Dyuti, I have allowed you to talk. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Dyuti. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir. Sir, how are you?
I'm doing really well. I hope the pronunciation is right. It is Dyuti, right?
Yes, sir. It's Dyuti.
Dyuti.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. So how has been the session so far?
Sir, this session has been an amazing and I have learned a lot. As I told you, actually, as I written in the messages to you that in the last webinar, in the last month, I attended your 2 days webinar, and there also I learned a lot.
Right.
And so I was eagerly waiting for this workshop, and I joined as soon as I can, and really it's going amazing, and we all are learning and growing at the same time.
Very true. Very, very true.
And
Okay.
actually, I have not completed my task, sir. So I am going to complete my task in the break.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Please do that. Now, now what you're going to do is, I'm going to give you a topic right now, and you will have to.
I have thought some topic. I have thought some.
No,
topic.
you will not think about your topic. I will give you the topic.
Okay.
So the topic for you is going to be, and it's a serious topic, and you got to inspire all of us. The topic is Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day. Do you understand the meaning of it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So Rome was not built in a day. Please go ahead. Please speak. You got to speak for 1.5 minutes on this topic. All right. Please start.
Hey everyone. As you know, Rome is an amazing city. It is so historic. There are so many.
Go ahead.
सर मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ?
Yeah. Please go ahead. Okay.
ये जो रोम जो नगरी है, ये एक ऐतिहासिक नगरी है, और ये मतलब इतिहासों की जो पन्नों में एक बहुत ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस है। लेकिन जो बात यहाँ पे आते हैं कि ये जो रोम नगरी है वो एक दिन में स्थापित नहीं हुआ था, और ऐसे ही अगर आप के बड़े कोई काम करने जाओ तो वो भी एक दिन में पॉसिबल नहीं है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू take your first step, because the first step is the game changer. Because when you are taking the first step, you are going to venture a new world, which world was totally undiscovered to you. जब तक आप वो मतलब फर्स्ट स्टेप नहीं लेते हो तब तक वो वर्ल्ड बिल्कुल अनडिस्कवर्ड रह जाता है। लेकिन जब आप एक स्टेप लेते हो और उसके साथ साथ आप प्रोसेस को ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करते हो, तो आप मतलब खुद ही एस्ट्रोनाइज्ड हो जाते हो कि बहुत कुछ देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. You have so many potentials that was totally unknown to you. तो इसीलिए ये एक idiom, ये एक proverb है कि Rome, the city Rome was not built in a day. So people, you have to put your efforts so that you can remove all your negativities, all your flaws, and you can create a new world, a new position for yourself. And so you should keep growing, you should keep putting your efforts, and one day it will make you a real brand, which
Go ahead.
Something.
You did well. Very good. Okay, Diti. Many congratulations. And I believe that it was one of the first time that you were speaking, and so many people are here and so many people are appreciating. See, I'll just copy those comments for you, and then you would realize that you did so well. Nice. And I can't copy all of the comments.
Okay sir, it's okay. Actually sir, मैं एक वीडियो बनाना चाहती थी, जो आपने ब्रेक में बोला था ना कि एक टॉपिक चूज करना है, तो एक टॉपिक मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, वो ये है कि द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द गेम चेंजर. सो मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है, क्योंकि आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप पहले लेना है, उसके बाद आपको ग्रो करना है, आपको अपना फ्लॉज जो है वो आपको निकालना है, उसको मतलब आपको एफर्ट डालना है, और उसके बाद आप ग्रो करोगे, और इट विल मेक, मतलब इट विल create your position one day.
Very true. So it's very important that you take that first step and then you also be consistent at the same time. Because जब आप consistent भी रहते हो तब
हाँ
आप
हाँ
देखते
हाँ।
हो कि दोनों चीजें आपको बहुत ज्यादा आगे लेके जाती हैं।
और सर मुझे ये लगता है कि मुझे ग्रो करना है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर, लेकिन मैंने कोशिश किया, और हाँ मुझे थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का भी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम मुझे
No
नजर आ
worries.
रहा है।
All those things automatically will be taken care of.
यस सर, एंड आई विल, मतलब मुझे भी ये जो मैंने फर्स्ट स्टेप, मैं अपना अपना जो एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप लिया। मैं आप ये स्पीच ज्वाइन करना चाहती थी, तो मुझे भी यहाँ पे मेरा जो फ्लॉज है, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं बहुत अच्छे से कर दूंगी, तो मुझे भी मेरे नज़र में आया कि मेरा फ्लॉज कहाँ पे है, मुझे कहाँ पे ग्रो करना चाहिए, मुझे कहाँ पे एफर्ट डालना चाहिए, और एब्सोल्युटली आई एम गोइंग टू चेक ऑल दैट।
Please do that and we will love it. Thank you, Duti.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Good. So next we will have Vikrant Patil. Vikrant ने मुझे बार बार बहुत बार बोला है. Yesterday also he told me. Vikrant, we have unmuted you. Please unmute yourself. How are you, Vikrant?
सर बहुत अच्छा हो सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Happy to hear you.
बहुत ही अजीब लग रहा है अभी बात करके। तो
मुझे बहुत
पहले
अच्छा
तो मैं
लग रहा है
फोकस
आपसे बात
करूंगा,
करके।
टास्क के ऊपर फोकस करूंगा। यस सर।
हाँ जी। सो आपको हम एक टास्क देने वाले हैं, एक टॉपिक देने वाले हैं, आपको उस टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो बनाना है। एंड द टॉपिक फॉर यू इज, वीडियो क्या आपको बोलना है अभी, द टॉपिक फॉर यू इज वर्क इवन व्हेन नोबडी इज वाचिंग। वर्क इवन व्हेन नोबडी इज वाचिंग। प्लीज गो अहेड।
हाँ सर, हमें काम करते रहना है जब हमें कोई देख नहीं रहा है तभी भी। तो इसका क्या फायदा होता है, देखिए जो अभी इससे पहला जो टॉपिक था वो इससे बिल्कुल रिलेट करता है कि रोम जो सिटी है वो एक दिन में नहीं बना, तो इसके लिए टाइम लगता है। जो भी सक्सेस है उसको टाइम लगता है। जैसे आपको एक अच्छा सा उदाहरण देना चाहूंगा, जब आप इस दुनिया में आए थे तो उसके लिए भी 9 महीने लगे थे, राइट? तो यही होता है कि हर चीज को बनने में टाइम लगता है, तो उसे समय दीजिए, वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत बन के सामने आएगा। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि हर चीज को एक समय दीजिए। ये मैटर नहीं करता है कि आप कौन देख रहा है, या मतलब देखिए जो आजकल संसार में जो भी है, लोग झूठी तारीफें ज्यादा करते हैं, लेकिन एक बहुत ही कम लोग रहते हैं जो हमें सही बताते हैं। तो इसकी दूसरों लोगों पे फोकस करने से अच्छा है कि अपने काम पर फोकस कीजिए, और डेफिनेटली वो दिन जरूर आएगा कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे मुकाम पर रहोगे जिंदगी में। सो दैट्स इट सर।
Good. Very well spoken. At the same time, people, I have also written over something here that I try giving the chance to all, but it is quite obvious, no, that everyone will not be able to get the chance in the live session. However, all of us can make videos and upload them in the Facebook group. वो तो हम लोग कर ही सकते हैं सारे के सारे लोग. Got it? Good. Yes, Vikrant.
सर मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ सर।
जी।
सर आपको याद होगा मैं 4 अक्टूबर के दिन मापसा आया था आपसे मिलने के लिए।
जी, मुझे ये पता चला था। मेरे को तो क्या सौरभ के थ्रू पता चला था मेरे को तो।
हाँ सर, वो थोड़ा मैंने पागलपन किया था कि एक तो मुझे ना, मैंने बहुत सारे इवेंट्स ट्राई किए, सब तरफ एनरोलमेंट किया है, तो सब तरफ से मतलब फ्रॉड टाइप ही हुआ है कि वो जो बोलते हैं वो नहीं मिला। लेकिन एक बार आपका मैंने बहुत सारे फ्री सेशंस ट्राई किए, तो मुझे लगा कि ये इंसान फ्री में इतना दे रहा है, तो इनके साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, मतलब पूरी लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी। तो मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं सर, डायरेक्ट गोवा के लिए निकल गए यहाँ से। तो बाद में फिर विकास सर ने, सुरेश सर ने बताया मुझे कि ये सही चीज नहीं है। जब भी आप कुछ भी मतलब वहां से मुझे ये समझ में आया कि जो भी आप महंगी चीज लेते भी हो तो उसके लिए आपको पे करना पड़ता है। तो मैंने वो पे नहीं किया था। तो वो पे मतलब एक तो मनी के फॉर्म में भी है, और आपके वर्क इथिक्स वगैरह
मनी इज लाइक सेकेंडरी। द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट आपको अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए एफर्ट्स तो डालने ही चाहिए। जब तक हम अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए एफर्ट्स नहीं डाल रहे तब तक हमारे पास कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी पाना अपने आप ही बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है।
जी सर,
दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नो वरी।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
वेयर डू यू लिव?
हाँ सर,
आप कहाँ पे रहते हैं वैसे? वेयर डू यू लिव?
सर मैं औरंगाबाद में रहता हूँ अभी। वैसे
Right.
बेसिकली मैं नंदुरबार डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूँ, महाराष्ट्र के।
Okay. Basically, you're from Aurangabad. Good, man. And I'm happy that finally you got a chance. मेरे को दिख रहा था आप कल रात से opportunity चाह रहे थे, and that's why I'm so happy. And you spoke very well.
ओके, थैंक यू सर। सर मैं EBW में आपसे मिलूंगा, और मैं श्योर हूँ कि तब तक मैं उस लेवल पे रहूंगा कि मैं स्टेज पे आके 2 शब्द बोल सकूं। डेफिनेटली सर।
100%. We are looking forward to that, brother.
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much. Right. So it's so amazing that so many people are getting the opportunity and they are also speaking. Okay. Now let's continue with the session, people. We have a lot more time. It will come. Okay. Everybody's time will come. Let's start making videos. अभी हम लोग बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स दे चुके हैं आप लोगों को, आप उनके ऊपर भी कंटेंट क्रिएट करो।